Hey.
Okay, babe. I'm online. Yeah, my tour is here.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, love you. Bye-bye. Hi.
Hi. How was your call with? Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
Good. Good.
I was calling my wife, yeah, with my banana phone.
Okay. Is lockdown getting a little bit long for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need some cheering up today?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll probably fetch my Apple phone.
But my banana phone
Yeah.
has a cam and it has a keyboard, but it hasn't enough space for videos.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah,
My Apple phone
and
is way better.
it's a brand,
It's a brand. Yeah, don't remove the
Yeah.
sticker, then it will lose all its value.
Yeah. How are you?
Oh man, I needed this laugh. This is good. Good. Long time no see. I'm doing well, and you?
I'm doing great, thank God.
Yeah, is all your family healthy? Are you healthy? Happy?
Yeah, thank God, thank God.
Yeah.
All's good, all's fine. So, can I tell you a puzzle?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. So, you should focus, okay?
I'm always focused because you always win when you do competitions or something.
Okay. Flip and repeat are on the tree. Flip goes down. Who stay on the tree?
What was the other guy's name? Retreat.
Repeat.
Repeat.
Yeah.
Repeat.
Flip and repeat are on the tree. Flip goes down. Who stay on the tree?
Repeat.
Flip and repeat.
Stop it. I know what you're doing. Oh, that's brilliant. I wish I had one for you, but my mind is a blank.
I'm gonna give you my banana as a reward because you guessed from the first time.
Oh, I get a banana. I don't even have a banana. I think I only have a pear. But I have an Apple phone.
Yeah.
No, I don't even have an Apple. I have a Samsung.
You have a Samsung?
Yeah.
Oh, where is it?
Look at it. It is.
It's Samsung. Yeah.
Oh, but look at my cover.
Yes. So you are like Android lover.
Android, yeah. What about you? Do you have Apple and Mac and those things?
I am iOS lover.
Oh, okay. No, I kind of started out with Samsung and then I couldn't make the switch. Mm-hmm. So now I have Windows as my interface. So if I see Mac, then I don't know what to do because it just has these three little dots like green, yellow, and red, and I have no idea. And it's also in the wrong case.
So you use Mac for teaching English?
No, I use Windows.
Windows?
Yeah.
So what brand of your computer for a
what
laptop?
Brand?
Yeah.
I don't know. I have to check.
Is it Dell, HP, Lenovo?
HP.
I think it's written in the middle of the screen.
It is right at the bottom.
In the bottom, yeah.
Oh, this is not a good day. It's quite. I mean, it's 10 a.m. But I kind of just woke up a while ago, so sleepy.
Yeah. Do you have a puzzle for me?
Do I have a what for you? A buzzer?
Puzzle?
A puzzle? No, yeah. I don't have a puzzle. Do you know what I did for do you know JD English?
Yeah.
Yeah. He I lost a competition.
Joelson.
Oh, you're mocking me because I couldn't say his name.
No, I'm not mocking you, but I'm struggling with his name as well.
What is his name? Is it Joe Wilson or Joe Wilson?
Joe Wilson. But we ended up. I call him like Joe. Just Joe.
Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Yeah,
Hi, Joe.
yeah, just like your average
Yeah.
Joe. Not that he's average, but yeah, we can call him Joe. So
Yeah.
I lost a competition with him, and then I had to blow on a vuvuzela.
Wow.
Yeah. Do you know what a vuvuzela is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super loud. It's super loud. But I went to buy one. So you also, let me check first. No, you're in Iraq. Okay, so this is not your colors, but
What is your visual?
look
Wow.
at it.
I will I will put off my
No, I'm not gonna blow it now.
headset. No, try.
I have to. I'll blow it if I lose a competition against you. This is a this thing does not just get used for nothing. I have to lose something. I have to
Okay. If you
lose a bet.
if you lose, you will blow on this base of Allah.
Okay.
But you wow, no. You got me. You got me when you say repeat because you were smiling, so you get the answer.
Yeah, and I also got your joke with the banana phone, and then I was like, you have a banana and I have an apple.
So yeah, I don't. Wow, I don't have anything to blow.
Yeah, it'll have to be next time because our time is almost run out. So I'm just telling you.
I have a fresh cherry.
You have this up for grabs. So if you can think of something that I can lose, then I will blow on this. But it's super loud, so
Drop the visual.
drop you the vuvuzela.
Yeah, and I will blow.
No, this has to be earned. I won't just use it for nothing. You have to earn this.
Yeah. So you have to ask me, and then I will guess, and I will have it.
You want it? How are you gonna get it though? You're so far away. Yeah, think of a competition or a puzzle that you can give me next time, and then I will. If I lose, then I'll blow on it.
Yeah. Do you know what happened today?
No, what happened?
Yeah, I was having that conversation, you know, with my mom, like a conversation between a son and his mother, and she was telling me to follow my dreams. But
Okay.
honestly, I don't have your Instagram.
What?
Do I win?
What does that mean? Follow my dreams, but honestly, I don't have your Instagram.
Yeah, she told me to follow my dreams, but my dreams is to follow you on Instagram. Did you get it?
No.
You don't get it. You don't get it. You lose.
I lose. Yeah, I do, but I don't understand. Do you mean that you I don't even have Instagram.
Yeah, but it's still a joke.
It's very funny. No, I didn't get it.
Yeah, you didn't get it.
No,
so
I
what
didn't.
what I deserve.
You do, but
You should have blown. You should have blown.
no, not today.
No, you should have blown because you lost.
I'm too shy. It's very difficult to blow on it because I don't get it right all the time. So I promise that next time I will blow on it. But yeah,
Well,
I have to check if everyone is not on a meeting or something because it's super loud.
Oh yeah. So maybe I will make sure to be prepared for many questions, and I will ask you many questions, and I win. And
Yeah,
you will
I will
blow.
I will also prepare something. So if you lose, what are you gonna do?
Let me figure out what I will bring here, and we will make this competition come true.
we need to up the stakes here. We need to it needs to be worth it.
I have to think.
Yeah, okay, it's a deal. We'll do that on another day.
Yeah.